Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change brightness in Resident Evil Requiem. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From there, navigate to the Graphics section. Make sure you are in the Display section. Here you can select Brightness and open the Adjust Brightness menu. Here you can adjust the slider to make sure you aren't able to see the squares on the grid. You aren't able to see the grid on the white square. So I think about here does it for me. Of course you can adjust it to be darker or brighter to your likeness. To your preference, that is. You don't have to follow those instructions, of course. And once you are done, press confirm. And then adjust the minimum brightness. Of course, for me, this will mean adjusting darkness until this pattern is no longer visible. Of course, as I said, you can crank it up to brighter, so the darker areas in-game will be brighter. You don't have to follow the instructions at all. After that, press confirm once again. And you can also change the overall brightness. As you can see, I'll go with something in the middle. And then press confirm. And that's it. Now you can simply back out of this menu and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.